Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. The government has committed to taking strategic steps to facilitate the development of tourism in St. Thomas. The parish is to benefit from the expansion of the tourism sector along the south coast through projects spearheaded by the Ministry of Tourism. Now, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the aim is to continue to build out a framework of support that will include product development, training, infrastructural improvement, and access to financing for rural communities. Mr. Bartlett says he is focused on providing economic viability in communities beyond Jamaica's traditional resort areas. All eyes are on the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, as time ticks on the cruise ship no-sail order. The order, which was issued by the CDC, expires tomorrow. Previously, the agency extended its order between 4 and 8 days prior to previous expiration dates in April and July. However, this time around, multiple plans have been submitted to the CDC by key industry parties, including the Cruise Lines International Association. There has also been additional pressure from local governments, including in Miami, where statements from the mayor and a protest yesterday implored the CDC to lift its cruise ship ban to help bring back jobs in the industry. Caribbean Airlines has implemented temporary measures to support the recovery of the airline. This, as reduced demand due to the global pandemic, has presented significant challenges to revenue. Now, effective October 15, 1/3 of all employees will be laid off for 3 months, depending on their role and the current needs of the business. There will be salary reductions and 8 months from mid-October 2020 on a tiered basis. Caribbean Airlines assures all stakeholders that cargo operations, the domestic air bridge between Trinidad and Tobago, the Kingston and Barbados-based commercial services will not be impacted by the temporary layoffs. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.10. The Canadian dollar sold for $107.33. The pound sterling is going for $184.56, while the euro closed at an even $168. The JC index gained 241 points today, while the junior market index declined 27 points. Among the winners were Epley, Siboney Group, AMG Packaging and Paper, Lumber Depot, and Sterling Investments. Now on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital, Palace Amusement, Consolidated Bakeries, Mayberry Investments, and Blue Power Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.